8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或者以上。喺晚上10點，超強颱風摩羯集結喺香港以南約330公里，即係北緯19.3度、東經113.9度附近，預料向西北偏西移動，時速約15公里，橫過南海北部，大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶。與超強颱風摩羯相關嘅烈風區正影響本港及珠江口一帶，離岸同高地間中達到暴風程度。按照現時預測，摩羯將喺明早最接近本港，並於本港西南300公里左右掠過。8號烈風或暴風信號會最少維持到明日正午12點。此外，與摩羯相關嘅強雨帶會喺未來數小時為本港帶嚟暴雨同猛烈陣風，市民請提高警覺，海有非常大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個小時，昂坪、長洲泳灘同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時95、84同83公里。最高陣風分別超過每小時121、106同100公里。8號烈風或暴風信號嘅防風措施報告，請盡快完成家中各項防風措施，將門窗鎖緊，若有門閂應加上，將貼紙貼喺當風嘅大玻璃窗上，萬一玻璃破裂亦可以減少損傷。請盡快完成清除渠道嘅落葉同垃圾。切勿喺屋內當風嘅窗戶附近站立，預早選定屋內一個安全地方，以防玻璃萬一破裂時可以躲避。受風暴潮影響，部分低洼地區可能出現嚴重淹浸或者海水倒灌，市民應該盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低洼地區同遠離危險地方。海面有非常大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同低洼地區，並停止所有水上活動。有關最新嘅天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
The number 8 northeast Gaylor storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 10 p.m., Super Typhoon Yagi was centered about 330 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 19.3 degrees north, 113.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 15 kilometers per hour across the northern part of the South China Sea, moving in the general direction of the vicinity of Leizhou Peninsula to Hainan Island. Gale winds associated with Super Typhoon Yagi are affecting the territory and the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, with occasional storm winds offshore and on high ground. According to the present forecast, Yagi will be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning, skirting around 300 kilometers to the southwest of Hong Kong. The Gaylor storm signal, number 8, is expected to remain in force at least until noon tomorrow. Besides, the intense rain bands associated with Yagi will bring rainstorms and violent gusts to the territory in the next few hours. Members of the public should be on the alert. Seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public should stay away from the shoreline and not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Chung Chau Beach, and Waglan Island were 95, 84, and 83 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 121, 106, and 100 kilometers per hour respectively. For the precautionary announcements with number 8 signal, complete all precautions in your home. Lock all windows and doors, insert reinforced shutters and gates, if they are available. Adhesive tape fixed to large window panes in exposed positions will reduce damage and injury by broken glass. Drains should be cleared of leaves and rubbish as soon as possible. Park your car where it is safe. Do not stand near windows on the exposed side of your home. Make sure you have a safe place to shelter should windows be broken. Owing to storm surge, some low-lying areas may have serious flooding or backflow of seawater. You should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. Seas are very rough and there are swells. You are advised to stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas and not to engage in water sports. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong in every hours of 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast.